everybody, today I'm going to be telling you how to play the keyboard. And then don't worry, the keyboard is like a piano but a little more popular. So let me tell you how to play it. First, this is a keyboard. It has these, but it also has these buttons to change the sound. It can tell you a tutorial. There's even keys here that tells you which one is which. And then these are the keys, less keys and shorter keys. So those are the differences between a keyboard and a piano. Now you first need to know the basic C major. First you need to find the third C. C is where every scale starts, and then there should be a key on some pianos. So C. It should say C3 here. C to C3. So this is the first C on an entire keyboard that we are going to be doing the basics of. So then now, one scale is 12 notes, including the black keys. So you're going to do this. So that's the C major scale, including the blacks. So then now we're going to be playing the first parts of the piano. So then now you first have to know how to put your fingers. So first you'll use your right hand, but yes. So like this. So I'm just doing my left hand just for the examples. You should really use your right hand. Put your fingers up like this. So it has to be up like this. But then with your right hand, so this. And then you're going to first try playing C. This is going to be the first warm up, so warm up your fingers. So C, and then D, E, F, and then G. Then do it backwards. G, F, E, D, C. Do it a couple times forward and backwards until you get used to it and it's memorized in your mind. And then, so that's good, right? Now after that, you should also try playing 2 times. Okay. Now that you warmed up, the black keys are for later, but now that you warmed up, now you can do the basic part, which is now playing like simple songs. So play C, D, E. So the notes are C, D, E, F, C, D, E, F, C, D, E, E. And if you can kind of see like this. Try playing that so you can get used to playing the notes. You know the basics. You probably already know it with some other tutorials. So now you can experiment with the different sounds, because keyboards are the only instrument that creates different sounds within keyboards and pianos. So like it should regularly be like this, and then if you want to get back to the thing, you can click this button that says portable grand. And then look here. It takes you to the regular sound. So now my personal favorite sounds are 31 or 154. But then for you, there's already a key here, voices, piano, E piano, and then the numbers on the sides are the numbers you enter in the keypad. Now there are different songs too, and if you find out how to play the songs and you want to play the songs, here is the topic, all of these songs. I can leave the image of the keyboard right up here. And then this is how to play the keyboard. Basic tutorial. Thank you for watching. And then, now please subscribe and like for more videos like this. And then comment if there's any feedback you want to tell that I missed, and that would be really helpful. So then, thank you for watching. Bye.